Stavros RPM Auto Reviews. I'm going to do a mini video on how to clean K&N filters. Alright, so I got to take mine out first. I got two of them because it's the twin turbo. As you may probably already know, you gotta, when you buy the filters, it doesn't come with a cleaning kit. I mean, some places probably sell it maybe with a cleaning kit as a whole package, but normally you buy the filter, you buy the cleaning kit separate. It's around 20 bucks. Most K&N filters are on average in Canadian price around $60 to $70 each. So anyway, we gotta buy this, and it comes in two parts: a spray for cleaning and then like a spray for oiling it. So let's get started. So I got the two boxes out. They're both they're not rectangular. They got a bit of a angled shape to them, one for each side. And also, you can see sometimes there's debris inside the grooves as well, right? So you probably want to take a little thin screwdriver or something and try to get out any debris and stuff that it's just going to get in the way and cause the cleaning to be a little bit more difficult, right? So use something like a screwdriver or something that's not too sharp, so you can get out and kind of get out any of the more larger obvious objects before you spray and clean it. So of course, this is the cleaning stuff. Got to spray the cleaning stuff all over it. It's basically like the solution, right? You got to spray and let it settle for around 15 minutes so the cleansing kind of soaks in before, and then you got to rinse it out. So the camera's off it, but so you got to spray both sides. Listen, it's probably like my fifth, sixth time cleaning, not my Kia Stingers, because this is the first time I put them in. This is my first time cleaning the ones for my Stinger, but I have used these in the last three cars I've owned. So you got to spray it liberally on there. Actually, it's about 10 minutes you need it to let it soak, not 15. A couple of minutes more doesn't hurt. So you let that soak in a little bit so it kind of loosens up any dirt enough. So now we're going to let it settle, and then after we're going to grab the hose and we're going to rinse them out. So now you got to rinse them. You don't need like a power washer. You just got to use water flowing like this according to the instructions. For how long, I'm not really sure, but just gotta get enough that you feel you've cleaned it out. And do both sides. So I'm gonna double check. I'll do the other side, and then I'm gonna just double check and maybe do some work if I think it needs it for both of them. So just continuing to let them dry. I flip them over so both sides are getting dry and shaking the water out. And it's, to that touch, they seem like they're pretty dry, but I'm gonna let them dry a little more. So now they look fully dry. So this one came with the spray can, the oil, red oil spray. And now the oil can also come in a package where it has a nozzle, and you're actually pouring like oil through when you would pour it through all the grooves. But this one's a spray kind, so you gotta spray it along, and you gotta make sure you get it on every spot. So you don't just kind of go like this and let it all fall down. You really gotta put a lot, like everywhere, right? So I'm going to do that for both sides, and then it says to let it cure, or whatever the right word is for that, for 20 minutes. So the oil really settles in and everything, and kind of dries up a little bit before you go put it into the back into the filter boxes.